There's over 1,200 people attending. You have investors, you have founders, you have talent. So there's a lot of different things you can do. There's a lot of people you can meet at the conference.
That's what I love about the Entrepreneurship Avenue, because each year we have a new organizing team and they put in their individual flavor. So each vintage brings in new ideas.
But I feel like the one thing that is always in common is a really good spirit, a lot of hard work that goes into this event, and just some really good memories.
I'm excited to see what the students present today, also to network, get to know cool investors, cool partners here, check out the startup fair, and have a great time.
Entrepreneurship Avenue is the beginning of many friendships, many ventures, and I think to a big extent also our scene in Vienna.
This whole experience of going step by step through those different labs actually really helped me grow in that direction.
I love Entrepreneurship Avenue because there are so many curious students and people who are on the edge of shaping their life and their career.
It was an amazing experience, and we got so many new inputs and so many new ideas. I feel like I've pitched more in the past month than I pitched in my entire life combined.
To be honest, my heart is so full right now. It's been 9 months of incredible work of our team, and I'm super, super proud of the outcome.
For me, EA is already like a family. It's my second year doing that, so I'm always super excited because people are here for networking, communicating with each other, and I always found such an amazing friends here.
I had so much fun. It was so nice organizing that. It was a lot of effort, but it paid off and we had an amazing day.
My advice to everybody who wants to start a company is bring your whole passion, and if you have a lot of passion for your product, then really go in and do it. It's going to be very hard, but it's also going to be the best thing you can ever do in your life.
Always believe in what you're doing. You will never be able to compete with the people that really believe in what they're doing. You can work harder, you can work more. You're going to burn yourself out if it's not something that you're truly passionate about.
I have gotten so much feedback for my startup idea, and actually the proof that I want to work on it, so I'm really happy that I participated.
Managed to find a lot of interesting individuals, such as the team members for my current project, and also some friends as well. And I managed to network with the potential investors too. This is the best place to be if you're a founder or especially an early stage startup.